Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Bollinger Band %B indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Bollinger Band %B indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 53 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 746 indicators, with 298 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also tested in the advanced testing stage, retested 7 indicators at this point. This one will be the 8th, and 4 of them have maintained the winning status, with the best one able to achieve a 64% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today we are doing an advanced testing of the Bollinger Band %B indicator. You can see the Bollinger Band %B here on the bottom of the screen. And in this particular case, the original testing video, in that one, the Bollinger Band %B was able to make it over that 10 trade mark, or that 10 signal mark. And so we are testing this one on the daily once again. And so it has the standard daily stop and take profit. And the Bollinger Band %B, you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I think initially in the original video I did something like this, so that way you can see this oscillating line a little bit better. But basically what we have is an upper band, a lower band. We kind of have this channel here in the middle, and then the oscillating line there. And so the way we are treating this is very similar to the RSI, in that we are looking for the oscillating line here to break above the upper band or down below this lower band here. And when it does that, we are then looking for it to cross back into this middle section. So for example, the top side here, we have that oscillating line breaks to the upside here, and then it comes back down and crosses back down into the center zone right here. That would be a signal to go short. And so you see here, we get that cross above, we get it, the cross back down below the 1.00 mark right here. And you can see that we get a really nice push to the downside there. And that would have come down and got us to our take profit. Then on the short side, what we have is the oscillating line breaking to the downside here, below that lower band, and then we get a cross back up into the middle section right here on this candle, and we get a really nice push to the upside there, which would have also gotten us to our take profit. So that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it in this particular case. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade test, and we'll pick it up on the other side to see what this was able to achieve. All right, so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 50 trade test, let's go ahead and take a look at our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. This is our Patreon only channel for our patrons. It's a really great private channel for all of our patrons to hang out, take advantage of some really great information that we are posting in here for everyone to see. This is our admin Jay, posts some really great futures analysis, as you can see. Posting these charts here with markups and analysis of the future market, exactly what he's doing and why he's doing it. We also have Sasquatch. Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He posts amazing trade analysis, Forex trade analysis with charts, again, marked up, showing exactly where the levels are and exactly what he's doing. Again, really great stuff. A lot of great information to be able for the patrons to take advantage of. And if you're interested as a patron, you can reach out to either myself or our admin Jay, and we'd be happy to sit down and give you a little bit of time for one-on-one if you have any questions, or if you are looking to advance anything you might be working on. Again, we're more than happy to give you a little bit of time. So there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so back to our indicator here. So over the 50 trades, what we got was 30 winners and 20 losers. And so that puts us right at that 60% marker that we are looking for. Definitely wish it gave us a little bit better win rate. Definitely 60% isn't bad. I mean, it holds up to where we still want indicators to be, but it's always nice if we can get an indicator that can give us a really decent win rate. And so all in all, not a bad indicator. This one is obviously going to continue to stay on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.